So we are going to continue the same article, that is angle adjustment problems, in that last problem, that is sixth problem. Y equal to cosec inverse in bracket 10 divided by 6 sine to the power x, 6 into sine 2 to the power x minus 8 cos 2 to the power x. Last problem from that short article. We know procedure how to solve. So first to write y equal to, by formula or property, we can write cosec inverse as sine inverse, and we take here reciprocal of the angle. So denominator goes to numerator, 6 sine 2 to the power x minus 8 cos 2 to the power x divided by 10. Right? Which formula? Cosec inverse 1 divided by x equal to sine inverse x, by using this formula. Then we separate numerator, separate the terms. So it is equal to sine inverse in bracket, separate 6 divided by 10 into sine 2 to the power x minus 8 divided by 10 cos 2 to the power x. Simplify this. So we get sine inverse in bracket, we can divide by 2 here. So we get 3 divided by 5 into sine 2 to the power x minus, again divided by 2, so 4 divided by 5 cos 2 to the power x. Right? So here outside bracket sine inverse, the bracket must be expansion of sine of a minus b formula. We know expansion of sine of a minus b formula is sine into cos minus cos into sine. So you can put here coefficient 3 divided by 5 equal to cos alpha, and coefficient 4 divided by 5 equal to sine alpha. Also we have to show that sine square alpha plus cos square alpha must be 1. So putting values, 4 divided by 5 its square plus cos alpha 3 divided by 5 its square. We get 16 divided by 25 plus 9 divided by 25. Take addition, 16 plus 9, 25 divided by 25, and that is equal to 1. So we have shown this. And now substitute values. So given problem becomes y equal to, outside bracket sine inverse y equal to sine inverse in bracket 3 by 5 means cos alpha into sine 2 to the power x minus 4 by 5 means sine alpha into cos 2 to the power x. And we know formula sine inverse in bracket, here sine a into cos b minus cos a into sine b. That is expansion of sine of a minus b formula. Sine, here a means 2 to the power x minus b means alpha. So it is equal to, we know formula sine inverse sine cancel, and we get 2 to the power x minus alpha, right? So what is alpha? You know, alpha is always constant. From this we can find alpha, right? And therefore we can take derivative here, dy by dx, derivative of 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x into log 2 standard formula, and derivative of alpha 0 here. So right here reason, since alpha is a constant, or you can find the value of alpha here. From this we can find alpha. How to find? Note that sine divided by cos means tan alpha, sine upon cos. 4 upon 5 divided by 3 upon 5. 5 cancel, we get 4 divided by 3 here. And this is alpha. Alpha nothing but tan inverse 4 divided by 3. So this is constant, right? And therefore derivative of alpha is 0. And we get answer as 2 to the power x into log 2. So this short article also completed. Then we will see some formulae. Next method is substitution method. Under same article, derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. There are some important formulae. So we'll see this formulae. That is, take as some important substitutions. So these substitutions are very important. Take these as standard formulae, which are useful for same topic differentiation, also used for integration. Next topic. So right here, see here, expressions, and here we write substitution. First expression, whenever root 1 minus x square is there in given problem, in differentiation or integration, whenever root 1 minus x square is there, always we take here substitution as x equal to sine theta. Note this. Put x equal to sine theta. Second substitution, whenever inside root or outside root 1 plus x square is there, always we take x equal to tan theta. These substitution are fixed. दिलेल्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये या टाइपचे एक्सप्रेशन असेल तर हे सबस्टिट्यूशन फिक्स. Then square root x square minus 1, we take here x equal to sec theta. Then fourth, square root of a plus x divided by a minus x, or square root a minus x divided by a plus x. Whenever such type of expression is given, we take x equal to a cos 2 theta, or we can take simply x equal to a cos theta also, but this is simple. Next, square root of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, or square root of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. Substitution, we take here x equal to simply cos 2 theta, because a equal to 1 here, we get 1 cos theta. Then square root a plus x square divided by a minus x square, or square root a minus x square divided by a plus x square. In this case, we take x equal to a cos 2 theta. Then whenever 2x divided by 1 plus x square is there, या type's expression असेल substitution x equal to tan theta because of trigonometric formula. That is formula 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Because of trigonometric formula, these substitutions are fixed. Then 2x divided by 1 minus x square. For that also we take x equal to tan theta, substitution fixed. Then whenever 1 minus x square is there, divided by 1 plus x square. Also we take here x equal to tan theta. For these three expressions, 7, 8, 9, substitution fixed. Then you know formula 3x minus 4x cube. For this expression, substitution is x equal to sine theta. For this, or 1 minus 2x square because of trigonometric formula. 1 minus 2x square. Substitution fixed, x equal to sine theta we take here because of trigonometric formula. You put x equal to sine theta, 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. That is formula for sine theta. So that is substitution. Then another 4x cube minus 3x, or 2x square minus 1 is there. And substitution is x equal to cos theta. because of formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, formula for cos 3 theta. Then if there is 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square, for this expression we take x equal to tan theta. So this substitution depends upon the trigonometric formulae, right? So note this formulae or substitution. Okay, बोला. Any problem? काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? ठीक आहे. So we'll see problems. हे का 4x क्यूब मायनस 3x. दिलेल्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये या टाइपचं एक्सप्रेशन असेल ना, सबस्टिट्यूशन x इक्वल टू cos थीटा घ्यायचं. हे कशामुळे आहे? कारण फॉर्म्युला आहे 4 cos क्यूब थीटा मायनस 3 cos थीटा. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्म्युले जे आहेत ना, तुम्ही मी टाकले ना ग्रुप वरती, ते सर्व फॉर्म्युले लिहून काढा, पाठ करा. साइन 3 थीटा, cos 3 थीटा, साइन 2 थीटा, साइन ऑफ a प्लस b, साइन ऑफ a माइनस b, साइन c प्लस साइन d, साइन c माइनस साइन d, cos c प्लस cos d, cos c माइनस cos d, साइन 2 थीटा, cos 2 थीटा, tan 2 थीटा इन टर्म्स ऑफ tan थीटा. 3 फॉर्म्युले आहेत. सर्व फॉर्म्युले लिस्ट मध्ये आहेत, ते सर्व पाहून घ्या आणि ऑटोमॅटिक तुम्हाला कळेल. मग आता तर प्रॉब्लेम पाहताना लक्षात येईल तुमच्या हाऊ टू सॉल्व प्रॉब्लेम्स. एक्सप्रेशन या टाइपचं आलं की सबस्टिट्यूशन तुम्हाला लक्षात आलंच पाहिजे. ठीक आहे. नाउ under same article we will see what is substitution method. Article same. For this substitution method we have to use these expressions and substitution. We have to solve problems. First problem, y equal to cos inverse in bracket 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Inverse function is there, that means problem of same article, derivatives of inverse trigonometric function. So see here bracket, and in bracket see expression. What type of expression? 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So we know substitution. What is substitution? आता तुम्हाला लिहून द्यायला आहे substitution. From that we put here x equal to tan theta.
Tan theta.
That is use of this substitution. X equal to tan theta. And from this we can find the value of theta. If we take tan on left side, we get here x equal to tan theta equal to tan inverse x. And given problem becomes y equal to cos inverse in bracket 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And you know this is formula. Cos inverse. Note this formula. Which formula? First formula, sin 2 theta in terms of tan. What is formula? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Second formula is cos 2 theta. Formula is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And third formula in terms of tan is tan 2 theta. Sin divided by cos. Right side divided by right side. 1 plus tan square cancel. And we get formula as 2 tan theta divided by this 1 minus tan square theta. These three formulas are so important for this article. So here 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square, that is nothing but cos 2 theta. And problem will be simplified. Cos inverse cos cancel. We get simply 2 theta. And we know what is the value of theta. Theta nothing but tan inverse x. So given problem simplified to this step. And now easily we can find derivative. 2 is the constant. Derivative of tan inverse x, 1 divided by 1 plus x square. And we get answer as 2 divided by 1 plus x square. So with the help of properties or trigonometric formulae, given problem can be simplified and very easily we can find derivative. आता तुम्ही जर डायरेक्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचं ठरवलं तरी तुम्ही डायरेक्ट काढू शकता विथ द हेल्प ऑफ चेन रूल. कॉस इनवर्सचा फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला यूज करावा. कॉस इनवर्स ब्रॅकेट काय असतो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह -1 डिवाइड बाय स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 1 मायनस ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर आणि इंटू डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ब्रॅकेट करावं लागेल. मग परत u अपॉन व्ही अप्लाय करावं लागेल आणि ते सर्व सॉल्व्ह करून स्क्वेअर रूट घेतलं तुम्ही तर शेवटी तुम्हाला आन्सर हेच मिळणार. बट दॅट इज जस्ट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. म्हणून हे सबस्टिट्यूशन जे फॉर्म्युले आहेत त्याचा यूज करून आपण प्रॉब्लेम सिम्प्लिफाय करू शकतो, रिड्यूस करू शकतो आणि डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इझिली काढू शकतो. दॅट इज यूज. आता पहा सेकंड Second problem, y equal to tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square. तर क्लिअरली तुम्हाला जर फॉर्म्युले पाठ असतील तर हे एक्सप्रेशन पाहिलं की लक्षात येतं काय घ्यायचं आपल्याला. अगेन वी टेक हियर
X is
x
equal to
equal to tan theta and therefore theta is tan inverse x, and given problem becomes y equal to tan inverse in bracket x means tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta, and that is nothing but formula 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta, formula for tan 2 theta, and tan inverse tan cancel, we get 2 theta, and what is theta? Theta is tan inverse x, and now you can take derivative. So dy by dx equal to 2 constant, and derivative of tan inverse x 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Again we get same answer, right? Very simple. Then third, y equal to sin inverse in bracket 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Concentrate on bracket expression, what type of expression, and what we have to take substitution. Again substitution, x equal to tan theta. Note that in maximum problem always substitution is x equal to tan theta. So theta is tan inverse x, and therefore given problem becomes y equal to sin inverse in bracket 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, and we know that bracket nothing but formula for cos 2 theta. Now see here, outside the bracket sin inverse, inside bracket cos. We know formula, we can convert cos into sin. So which formula? Cos can be converted into sin by subtracting that angle from pi by 2. Pi by 2 में तो angle subtract करेगा. Sin inverse sin cancel, and we get pi by 2 minus 2 theta. And now replace theta, and again theta means tan inverse x. Theta ची value आपण वरती काढलेली आहे, tan inverse x. And now taking derivative, right side pi by 2 constant, derivative 0, minus 2 constant, derivative of tan inverse x 1 divided by 1 plus x square, and we get answer as minus 2 divided by 1 plus x square, and solution completed. Next number, y equal to sin inverse in bracket 2x into root 1 minus x square. See your expression,
X is
and
equal
what
to
was
sin theta.
correct because of formula. Which formula? Sin 2 theta equal to formula 2 sin theta cos theta. The formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. So we take here, we put here x equal to sin theta, and this gives theta equal to sin inverse x, and therefore given problem becomes y equal to sin inverse in bracket 2, x means sin theta square root 1 minus sin square theta. Simplify this, sin inverse in bracket 2 sin theta square root of 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta. So it is equal to sin inverse in bracket 2 sin theta. Square root of cos square theta is cos theta, and we get formula 2 sin theta cos theta nothing but sin 2 theta. The sin inverse in bracket sin 2 theta. Again sin inverse sin cancel, we get 2 theta. And what is theta? Theta nothing but here sin inverse x. And now taking
2 upon
derivative
1 plus
dy
x
by dx, 2 is constant, not 1 plus x square, but derivative of sin inverse x is 1 divided by root 1 minus x square. फॉर्म्युले पाठ करा. sin inverse x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय असतो? 1 divided by root 1 minus x square असतो. ओके, so solution completed. Fifth problem, y equal to cos inverse in bracket 3x minus 4x cube totally
X is
depends
equal to
upon
sin
trigonometric
theta.
formula. No, what sin theta or cos theta? Expression. What type of expression? Yeah, types of expression. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, and that is formula for sin 3 theta. Compare with this 3x minus 4x cube. 3x minus 4x cube. So what do we get substitution? X equal to sin theta, and therefore theta nothing but sin inverse x. And given problem becomes y equal to cos inverse in bracket 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, and that bracket nothing but formula for sin 3 theta. Outside bracket cos inverse है, bracket में sin है, we can convert sin into cos again by using same formula. Sin can be converted into cos. From this formula we subtract that angle from pi by 2, and here cos inverse cos cancel, and we get pi by 2 minus 3 theta. And now replace theta. 3 theta means from above step theta is the sin inverse x. And now take derivative. Derivative of pi by 2 0 minus 3 constant. Derivative of sin inverse x 1 divided by root 1 minus x square. And we get answer as minus 3 divided by root 1 minus x square. Solution completed. Next number, y equal to cos inverse in bracket e to the power x minus e to the power minus x divided by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. It's also very important problem. See carefully. First, we simplify this bracket, and then we use substitution. Y equal to cos inverse in bracket e to the power x as it is. E to the power minus x can be written 1 divided by e to the power x here. In denominator, e to the power x plus e to the power minus x, where it is 1 upon e to the power x. Then we take here cross multiplication, LCM, cross multiplication, what do we get? E to the power x, its square, e to the power x into e to the power x minus 1. Denominator, e to the power x into e to the power x, we get e to the power x square plus 1. And note that after cross multiplication, e to the power x in denominator, here also e to the power x in denominator. So this e to the power x cancel with this e to the power x. After LCM, we get this. But there is formula, we know expression. What type of expression? 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. And for that expression, what is expression? This is formula for cos 2 theta if it's substitute x equal to tan theta. So for this expression, there is substitution x equal to cos 2 theta, right? So note that. But here what type of x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1, and for that we have to take here common. So this is very important problem. If we take minus sign common, what do we get here? In bracket 1 minus e to the power x square divided by denominator same 1 plus e to the power x square. Okay. Because of this expression, we have taken here minus sign common from bracket. Okay. And note that it is equal to, again you have to use this important formula, cos inverse minus x. This is very important formula. Cos inverse minus x, that is equal to formula pi minus cos inverse x. So we have to use this. Cos inverse minus, this bracket means suppose here x. So by this formula, we get pi minus cos inverse x means this bracket. We get 1 minus e to the power x square divided by 1 plus e to the power x square. Right? We get this. Now we have to use substitution. 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. What is substitution now? We can put here e to the power x equal to now tan theta. And therefore, from this theta is tan inverse e to the power x. Right? So, above problem becomes y equal to, right side is pi minus cos inverse in bracket 1 minus. e to the power x means tan theta. So what we get here? Tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And continue this. So it is equal to, what do we get? Right side is pi minus cos inverse in bracket, and that is formula for cos the 2 theta. So we get a pi minus cos inverse cos cancel, we get 2 theta. So pi minus 2 and replace theta. From our step theta nothing but tan inverse e to the power x. And now we can take derivative. So dy by dx, derivative of pi is 0, minus 2 constant, apply here chain rule. Derivative is 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power x its square, and we multiply by derivative of e to the power x, that is same derivative of e to the power x, and thus we get answer as minus 2 into e to the power x, and denominator is 1 plus e to the power x square means you can write e to the power 2x also. So this is the answer. Solution completed. So important problem. Next number, y equal to cos inverse in bracket 1 minus 9 to the power x divided by 1 plus 9 to the power x. Note that bracket, that is expression of the type 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. The second term must be written in terms of square. So y equal to cos inverse, we can write 1 minus 9 to the power x, can write 3 to the power x square, 1 plus 9 to the power x means 3 to the power x square, right? See here, 9 to the power x means, what is 9? 9 means 3 square, its power x. And this means 2 into x, that is 3 to the power 2x. 3 to the power 2x can be written 3 to the power x into 3 to the power x. Base same, sum of indices x plus x 2x. And what is this? We can write 3 to the power x square. Note that 3 to the power x square nothing but 9 to the power x. 9 to the power x last लिखता है. And compare with formula 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square. Again substitution here. Note that in maximum problem always substitution is tan theta, and theta nothing but tan inverse 3 to the power x, and therefore given problem becomes y equal to cos inverse in bracket 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, and we know this is formula for cos 2 theta. Cos inverse cos cancel, and simply we get 2 theta, and replace theta. Theta means tan inverse 3 to the power x, and now we take derivative dy by dx. 2 is the constant, derivative of tan inverse 3 to the power x is 1 divided by 1 plus 3 to the power x square, and by chain rule we have to multiply by derivative of 3 to the power x. So we get here 2 divided by 1 plus 3 to the power x square means we can write 9 to the power x. Note that 3 to the power x square means 9 to the power x, and the derivative of 3 to the power x is same into log 3, standard formula. So what was answer? Answer is 2 into 3 power x into log 3 divided by 1 plus 9 to the power x, and solution completed. Also, this is very important problem. 8 number, y equal to sine inverse in bracket 4 its power x plus 1 by 2. 4 to the power x plus 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus 2 to the power 4x. So given problem can be written y equal to sine inverse in bracket. We can write 4 to the power x plus half as 4 to the power x into 4 to the power half. Base same, sum of indices. पायासारखा असेल घातांकाची बेरीज. So 1 plus 2 to the power 4x can be written 2 to the power x power 4. Can you write? लिहिता ना सर? लिहिता ना? 2 to the power 4x आहे ना? 2 to the power x मी 4 ला वरती घेतलं. Then sine inverse in bracket. 4 to the power half means what? 4 to the power half means square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So get 2 into 4 to the power x divided by 1 plus. Now this can be written 4 to the power x is there, so we write this as 2, 4. This 4 can be written 2 into 2. Take 2 inside bracket and 2 outside bracket power. Meaning is same. 2x into 2 means 4x. Meaning same. The sine inverse in bracket 2 into 4 to the power x divided by 1 plus. Now 2 square means 4. Its power x
4.
and its square as it is. So we put given expression in standard form. What form? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. If we simplify this, always we get that. And now use subtraction. 4 to the power x equal to tan theta. So theta is tan inverse 4 to the power x. And therefore, y equal to sine inverse in bracket 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And that is formula for sine 2 theta. This trigonometric formula. Sine inverse sine cancel, we get 2 theta, and theta nothing but tan inverse 4 to the power x. And therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2 constant. Derivative of tan inverse fx we know 1 divided by 1 plus 4 to the power x square into derivative of 4 to the power x. That is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus 4 to the power x square. We can write 4 to the power 2x. Derivative of 4 to the power x same and multiply by log 4 standard formula. And thus we get answer as 2 into 4 to the power x into log 4 divided by 1 plus 4 to the power 2x. That is the answer. Next number, y equal to sine inverse 1 minus 25x square divided by 1 plus 25x square. हे एक्सप्रेशन पाहिलं की तुम्हाला लक्षात आलं पाहिजे सबस्टिट्यूशन काय घ्यायचं आणि एक्सप्रेशन कोणत्या टाइपचं आहे. 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square. सेकंड टर्म मस्ट बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्क्वेअर. फक्त त्या फॉर्म मध्ये आपल्याला लिहून घ्यायचं आहे. 1 minus the 25x square is square of 5x. Similarly, in denominator 1 plus 25x square means 5x square. Now compare with formula 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square. What is substitution? Here 5x equal to tan theta because of formula 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. That is cos 2 theta. And formula theta is tan inverse 5x. And given problem becomes y equal to sine inverse in bracket 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And again that is formula for cos 2 theta. Outside bracket sine inverse, bracket मध्ये cos आहे. So cos can be converted into sine by subtracting that angle from pi by 2. And sine inverse sine cancel, and we get pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Then we replace theta. What is theta? Theta is tan inverse 5x. And now take derivative. So dy by dx equal to pi by 2 constant, derivative 0 minus 2 constant. Derivative of tan inverse 5x, 1 divided by 1 plus 5x square, and multiply by derivative of 5x, that is 5 only. And thus we get answer as minus 2 into 5 minus 10, and denominator 1 plus 5x square means 25x square, and this is the answer. Next number. Y equal to, important problem, 10 number. Y equal to sine inverse in bracket 1 minus x cube divided by 1 plus x cube. Very important. Now compare bracket with our trigonometric formulae or trigonometric expressions. There is no matching. जर तुम्ही डायरेक्ट पाहिलं तर तुम्हाला काही लक्षात येणार नाही. आपला फॉर्म्युला कसा आहे, 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square आहे. आणि या ठिकाणी क्यूब दिलेला आहे. So we have to use some adjustment. We have to convert this x cube in terms of square, in the form of square. So because of formula 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square, or 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square, so we can write here substitution as we put here, note that x cube equal to, we take here tan square theta, because of formula. What formula hai? 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square. Whatever be second term, that must be tan square theta. And from this, we have to find the value of tan theta. What is tan theta? By taking square root. If we take square root, we get tan theta, and square root of x cube. And this means x to the power 3 by 2. Square root means power half. And this gives theta. So theta nothing but tan inverse x to the power 3 by 2. And so given problem becomes y equal to sine inverse in bracket 1 minus x cube. Value of x cube we have taken tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So we get sine inverse, and this is formula for cos 2 theta. Sine inverse cos 2 theta means we can write sine pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Sine inverse sine cancel, and we get pi by 2 minus 2 theta. And then replace theta. Theta means tan inverse x to the power 3 by 2. And therefore, dy by dx is equal to derivative of pi by 2 0 minus 2 constant, derivative of tan inverse x to the power 3 by 2. Apply chain rule. 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power 3 by 2 its square, and by chain rule we multiply by derivative of x to the power 3 by 2. We get here minus 2 divided by 1 plus these 2 and these 2 cancel. We get simply x cube. Derivative of x to the power 3 by 2 multiply by index, subtract 1 from index 3 by 2 minus 1 means we get 1 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 cancel. We get minus 3. X to the power half means root x divided by 1 plus x cube, and this is the answer. Okay.